Hello and welcome to Stable Technology Center. In this video, we are going to learn about how to use OBS. Okay, let's start it. I already have OBS running on my system. Okay, I already have OBS running on my system. It's simple. So I will take you through how to download it, the process through it. Okay, now let's go to our website. I already have the link. Go to Google. You Google the name OBS download. So let's go on and choose the first one, sorry. Okay, so when you open it, it will take you to their website. Based on their website, you have so many options to choose from there. Either you are using Windows, Linux, whatever operating system you are using. I'm sure you'll get it. Basically Windows, Linux and MacBook. Okay, so basically this is how this tutorial going to take it to. Okay, don't forget to follow and hashtag us. Okay, now let's go. Okay, this is our OBS. If you are using Windows, this is what you choose. If you want it, if you are using torrent to download, this is it. If you want the zip file, this is it, and what have you. That is in order. If you are using Mac, you can just click on this tab. If you are using Linux, you also use this one. Okay, if you have some dollars, you can easily donate something for them. They've done a really good job. Okay, for Windows platform, this is what you download. Okay, I have already run my OBS. This is my OBS studio. Okay, this is it. After your first installation, this is what you see. It will appear like this. So just forget about this. You don't see any of this, but for the sake of this video, I just have to put on this and use it to broadcast. Okay, so when you have it like this, you click on studio mode. I will split it into two. You have the left channel and the right channel. So I have to add my tags. So this is my scenes. The scenes give you it's a column that whereby you can arrange your scenes how you want it to be in arrangement in alphabetical order based on the way you want it to be. Okay, so I have created this one. This is for teaching. Just teach. Okay, teach. So I've created my teach. Let me take it out just for the sake of the tutorial. Let me take it out. Okay, these are my standard one, and let me create a new one. So create a scene. Teach. TAC. Okay, I have created my new scene. This is teach. So you come here, I can add the sources. The sources is, you have a lot of them. The audio input capture. This is where you can use to capture your audio input, how you want the audio to be captured. Audio output, how you want the audio should be captured. Browse, color source, display capture, game capture, image slideshow, media source, scenes, text, video capture device, video capture, and all of you. So I'm adding text now for the start. So I can go to text. You can give it whatever name that you want to give it. Okay, for the sake of video, I'll give it test. Okay, so you can type whatever I want to type. Maybe how you want it to, the design should move around, how you want it to be shown. So I have my stable. Okay, this is my test. Okay, click on it. This is it. So appear here. So you can expand it. Based on the way you want it to be. You can position it anywhere you want it to be, either here, anywhere you want it to be. Okay, so I'll leave it here. Okay, now I have my text. I can also let my text scroll. So you can click on your text like this, right click, then go to filters. Click on filters. Have you seen the plus sign? Just click on it, the plus sign. You see scroll, so click on the scroll. Okay, horizontal speed. This is where you can do the speeding. Horizontal speed. If you want it to go the other way, this is how it goes. If you want it to go this way, this is how it goes. Based on the way you want it to go. This one move up and down. Okay, you basically arrange it the way based on how you want it to be. Okay, I don't want any, so I'm taking it out. Okay, I only want the horizontal speed scroll. Okay, so close. Now I have it. You can even change your font color. The font color for you to change your font color, you come to the text, double click on it. This is your text. Set font. This is how you want it to be. The font design and the sizes, the styles. So now let's come to the color. Set color. Okay, you can set any color that you want. I'll choose this color. This color. Okay, now you have your color. You can also the background, you can design the background how you want it to be. So let me choose a background. Okay, so choose color source. Okay, how you want it, you can change the color, maybe blue. Okay, this is it. Okay, you can expand it to cover everything. After that, you want your text to appear, you can right click on it. Just right click on the page, the blue page, the color code that you've created, then go to order, move down. So this color source that you've created will move downward, then the text button that you've created will come upward. So basically this is how you want to. After that, the fading, you can fade it out like this, then it will fade. If you want it to fade fast too, you can just transition or cut based on how you want it to be. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe. If you're on Facebook, follow us, like us. If you have any question, don't forget to bring it out. That will make it much more interactive. And if you have any suggestion, anything at all, you can easily bring it so that I can add it up in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.